In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take a mower wheel, like just a regular rim like this, and turn it into a hub. I'm going to be mounting some 4x110 tires, which this would be the same as a lot of Hondas and stuff. I'll put the list on screen of what uses these. Or 4x110, and as it works out for me, the holes on the inside for mounting up the these are for the wheel weights for the garden tractor stuff. They're like perfectly spaced up. I think they're a little bit smaller, but they do fit right through. Like I was using these bolts. I already have one made from another wheel. This is what it'll wind up looking like when you're done. Well, drill 2 more holes. I haven't done that yet. I'm probably not gonna for a little bit, but so basically all you're gonna do once you got your rim off, that's the main thing, is getting it off, because this can be a royal pain in the ass sometimes. You're just gonna cut on, like, there's the seam in the middle where the wheel is welded together. You're gonna want to cut on either side of that. You don't want to cut the seam. You're gonna want to make 2 cuts on either side of it, like I did on this one. This one I did clean up. I cut about out here, and then I came around with the grinder and cleaned it up. I didn't do it on that side because it don't really matter. But I'm not gonna record doing that because all I have is a grinding wheel. So it's going to take 18 years to cut through this with a grinding wheel. So I'm just gonna cut to when it's done. Alright, we got the hub cut down. Gotta go grind it. I got the flap disc here. Just gotta go around and clean up that edge. You want this edge to be flat around with the other edge. You just want that middle, because that middle part that like pops out helps center it in the hub. Well, in the rim. I'm gonna go grind this down. And there we go. We got a hub now. Now all you gotta do is throw it in a wheel. In my case, holes already line up. Just center it up. Mark your holes, drill them. Mine are right there. So I'm gonna throw some paint on these, mount them up on the mower, and that'll be it for this video. That's how you make a mud mower hub. No welding, no nothing. I would recommend using all 4 bolt holes. I'm not going to right now because I don't really care that much, and I'm not going to be romping on it too hard. At some point, I will drill the other 2 holes, and I will be drilling the 4x4 bolt pattern too, so I can run the 8-inch golf cart wheels too, because then I'll be able to swap out like paddle tires and shit.